Okay, guys. So I want to update you for my situation. I've been watching for everything that you've answered me about my questions. So first of all, I want to show you that the car is clean as much as possible because there's a damaged color on the top of it, but not that much. I'll take care of it when she'll turn on. So the situation is like this. I found that insignia switch, which looks like it's okay. I've pressed it. It's like turning off things. It's like getting into a safe mode. I've been playing with the body processor. The body processor was like not that function. The light wasn't working. I hadn't had a lot of the whisper and a lot of things wasn't working. All the lights, actually even the inside lights, wasn't working well. I've been getting a negative into almost all of those inputs, and everything back to work. The light is working, the light over here is working, that a little switch that moves when I hit the brake is working, the radio, everything is working fine. Everything except that remote controls that doesn't do nothing, and the door lock. This is the only two things that still missing, and of course I can't start the car. So now when I go in, I put the key inside, I get into the level 2, and actually I'm hearing the beeps. There's half of the lights that I had before, that broken lamp light was over here, and now it's missing. Everything looks much better, but I still don't get any start. So we are going back that this should be something that apparently connected to the alarm control or the security control module, which is over here. And this one looks like it's getting everything it needs. I've been checking all those inputs and outputs. Those I can know. I don't have I can see that it got a positive or negative, but a lot of outputs over here are data which I cannot really figure out what they should do or not. So this kind of stuff I can check. The working status of this device internally, I can't check this out. I just can't see if it's getting the voltage it needs, and it's sending it as I can see through the electricity plans that I've found on the internet. They are here somewhere. All the electricity plans I've been downloaded, printed, and I've been working according it, and I found everything I need. So this is the situation right now. I really out of ideas. Please help me. Thank you, guys. See ya.